This is how I created this beautiful gel nails. That is party nails. You know now. What's up, guys? How are you guys doing? You know, I was preparing for my uncle 50 years birthday party. Then I decided to create my gel nails. But although my younger sister told me that she's gonna help me out to create these gel nails and everything, but after later she was helping me to remove the dead skin, cleaning my nails and all those stuff, filing my nails. Then at the tail end, something up in that area because we wanted to use acrylic powder, but at the tail end we now found out that we did not have the acrylic liquid to use on it. Oh my gosh, it was so incredible. I wanted to cry that night, but I said no, Abby, just hold yourself, you don't have to cry. All right, then what we now did is that I said, okay, let me use gel. But although my younger sister was just looking at me, I said, no, just wait, because we were tired looking for acrylic liquid. I've tried all the liquids that I have in this house. It was not even working on it. I said, okay, there is no problem. All right, let me do the construction of normal gel. That is when I start constructing my nails with gel. Do you know what even happened in this video? Although that the video take me a very long process, because creating your own nails by yourself, it is not really easy, you know. But I said, no, I can do it, because we even started early. Then we went to go and finish in the night. Even my younger sister was so tired. I said, okay, go and prepare something for us to eat, so that we eat something yummy that evening. Then I take over the gel nails. I started constructing all of them by myself, because I know how to construct gel nails and all those stuff. I said, okay, before the food will get ready, maybe I will just be doing the gel nails all by myself. Do you know that in some part of this video we did not even film it? They look for the full version. We did not even film the part of the video. Then I said, okay, let's continue doing it like this. Then I continue applying gel, you know. I want to give it an amazing shape and all those stuff. So I was just using all my products on my nails. Then after some time, before I start even putting the gel contents, I now forget that, oh, do you know that the last point I did not even film that is the outcoming of the nails. But you guys is gonna manage this video the way it is. It was not my fault. I was just preparing for a birthday party, and I have to prepare my luggage that night. I was just in a haste, in a hurry, you know. It was not really easy, guys. But at the end, I finally finished making my nails, but the nails really come out good. I think that you will see it on the other video that I'm going to post about the birthday party and everything. You will see the nails. The nails really come out really beautiful. All right. Have a wonderful day. I love you guys.